Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Gcmob and signing into the account that holds the recording. Once the app is open, go straight to the Menu or Library tab to surface saved recordings. This shows file names, timestamps, and durations so you can confirm which to remove. Make sure Gcmob has storage permission. Without it, deletion won't affect the file on disk. Now that you see the list, long press or tap the three dots next to the target recording to reveal deletion options. You now choose the delete option from the recording's context menu. Some builds show remove or trash instead, so pick the one that implies permanent removal. When the confirmation prompt appears, read it. Options may say delete from device versus remove from library, then confirm to proceed. Once confirmed, navigate to Gcmob's trash or recently deleted folder and empty it to reclaim storage and ensure the file is gone. If there's a cloud sync, make sure you repeat deletion. On sync, you finish by verifying the recording is no longer listed and checking available storage to confirm space was freed. If the file still appears, force close Gcmob, clear its cache and settings, then reopen and verify again. Once done, that often resolves stale listings. If deletion repeatedly fails, revoke and regrant storage permission or remove the app and reinstall. These steps refresh file access. As a troubleshooting tip, check any cloud backups or other devices synced to the same account. They may retain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.